we're going to be using GarageBand to import two files from a double ender. So one file that was recorded at one location and another one that was sent over to be mixed. In GarageBand, we're going to choose new one. We're working with audio files that we already have. So I'm going to hit create. And the first thing I'm going to do is save my file. Now here I have my two recordings. I can just click and drag those in, and it'll make two separate audio tracks. So first task is going to be synchronizing the audio. So you can see we have a peak here and a peak here from a hand clap. Let's trim that up. The first thing we're going to want to do is just kind of get that really close. We do have snapping on, so it is jumping a little bit, but we're going to get in even closer. So I'm going to move the playhead right over that. And then as we zoom in, it should zoom in on the playhead. And we can see that even getting it, what looked like it was close, it's still pretty far off. Go ahead and grab that and drag it back. We've got it closer, so now we're going to zoom in even more. Looks like we're pretty good on it. Some valleys there, peaks are in the right spot. All right, so we're going to go ahead and back out so we can see the whole thing, and let's hear how this sounds.
One.
And I'm going to turn off the metronome.
1, 2, 3. I am speaking directly into an iPhone to record my own voice so that I can get an audio waveform that will then be put together with a second audio waveform from my guest interview.
And I am recording directly into my mobile phone, so I can then send my comments to the host so they can be mixed down into one track and the audio quality will be good.
All right, so this sounds pretty good. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to get rid of this excess that we have at the front and at the back. I like to leave a little bit of breathing room between where the audio really picks up. We're just going to drag this back. We should get it to snap. Move the playhead again. Should snap right to it. A little behind it. There we go. Alright, so now we're going to grab both files, pull them towards the beginning.
I am speaking directly into an iPhone.
So I don't have any weird sounds at the start. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and save this again, since it's edited. GarageBand doesn't have export features under File like a lot of software. It's going to be under Share. So I'm going to go ahead and export this to disk. It's asking what I want to save it as. I'm going to go ahead and save that as a wave, just so we have the best quality that we can get out of it. It's not going to improve any quality over the recording, but it won't diminish it. And let's get rid of that part. All right, let's go ahead and check, make sure that we have that. There's our wave.
I am speaking directly into an iPhone to record my own voice so that I can get an audio waveform that will then be put.
Sounds good. All right, so that is pulling two separate audio files together in GarageBand.